Welcome on the show, welcome on the show. Akade kanoke nyini nyini tulika mocha outer Firebase side ne tuliku Dream Studios. Well, I'm on one-on-one with the man himself, Dax Vibes, Muganda wo mukulembeze wegwanga, to be a big team, a big number of Ugandans really say that. And yeah, we just got to pray. Mukama wanachitusa wechinaba. Yes. So right away, allow me talk to the man right himself. He's right next to me. He's got a couple of new songs. And I myself right now, I'm listening to that song, And When She Come By, right? Yo, how are you, Dax?
When she come by, everything pause. She give me love doors on a new missembozy.
When She Come By.
Mama, my. Believe me, boy, you will know. Yo, and this is Dax Vibe representing Outer Kamocha Firebase.
Yeah, man. Before we go any further, the viewers would love to know what's the trick behind the rebrand of Dax Vibes?
I think learning, okuiga. You see, I learned. As time goes on, you learn. You see, life is there are steps, Madara. So as you learn, then getting in touch with different groups of people.
Yes.
Yeah, no man knowing what you can do best and how you can do it. Yeah, that's when you rebrand and be chitambula.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Era nga tukyali ku nsonga ya Dax Vibes as a rebrand. We really want to know who is Dax Vibes.
Dax Vibes is me. Dax Vibes is Bugembe Sentamu. Dax Vibes is a young Ugandan. Dax Vibes is a graduate. Dax Vibes is a business guy, an artist, a good musician for you. Yeah, what else can I say? Dax Vibes is who you are looking at.
Dax Vibes is a born of
the late Sentamu. Yeah, JW Sentamu and Nalunkuma.
Yes.
Outer Kanoni Gomba. Straight to Kamocha.
Nawe gye wazaalibwa Gomba.
Nze wabanzalira mu site sijjukira nayisi bitegeera.
Ebyekyalo tobimanyidde nnyo.
Nayisi bitegeera naye nakulira nnyo ne Kampala, because by the time when nazaalibwa waitaka ngati ni mama wange na passing on, kitegeera. So then I started living with my siblings, kitegeera. Yeah. So around Kampala.
Katono nnyo otera n'ofiisaako akadde n'ogamba nti let me go to Gomba.
Yeah, go there because abazadde baffe balekayo development.
Yes.
So tulina zimaintaininga, balekayo farm, balekayo amayumba, n'abatuuze ne waka tulina ogenda ne tulima ku bijja,
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You really do so. Tulina Dax Vibes wano wenyini ku Dream Records, and anyway, just in a few, Mr. Eddie awe ayiseewaawo. It's a big deal, I think, okuba ne family nga mwena muli mu kintu kyekimu. You really have fun. Towulira nga weetiiridde okola ekintu, right?
Yeah, it's a blessing because obeera n'abantu abakiyitamu already abasobola okuunderstanding, okitegeera nga basobola okubuusa oba boolabirako, okitegeera. So obeera mu abo obeera ng'olina defense from side ntino obuka ensobi ze baakola n'obeera ng'osobola okukola ekintu nga toyise mu haso nnene nnyo nga gye bayitamu.
I used to jazz with AK-47 before he passed on, RIP, but yangambanga nze man okuba ne bakulu bange bakola music, it's a big challenge. Bamukubanga engolo when you flat, they do this, Weasel too.
Yeah, it's really a big challenge, even in the public, or making up to their name, because ojja tosobola kubeera ng'ogezaako kitegeera ng'aba artist abalala olina okubeera ng'okola ekintu ekiri perfect kubanga bagenda criticizing oba comparinga according to your elder brothers abakusookawo kitegeera. So n'entalo z'osangawo awo olina okulwanako ezimu kitegeera. So it's a challenge olina okukola ennyo. Yeah, man.
So like in Kamocha wano we mubeera, like bw'ozuukuka n'ojja ku Dream n'oyitako ku Firebase, don't you feel like you're so homey?
Yeah, it feels good. I'm just blessed that most of the work I do is around home, Studio is at home.
I mean, like ng'abayimbi abasinga be bagende Makindye, Salama, Munyonyo. What time do you really get noga naye kantambuleko as Dax Vibes?
Tambula, because even the song you're singing nagikolera Makindye. Nakayimba kapya nakakolera Makindye, So I move, but just chill zone. My time I sing mbera ne bachali bange. Mala wenkeera nengena nenkola center to meeting ano fenna, Enga osazo bachali bange bayimbi banange. Yeah, nga tuchiringa wano, This is home for everyone.
Dax Vibes, Bobby Wine ebbanga lyetumumanyidde muntu akutte ku bayimbi bangi nnyo. That race of, I remember Firebase of Bebe Cool and Bobby Wine with Weatherman, but Toolman, many guys. So tulabye nti Bobby Wine ebbanga lyabaddewo inspiring many Ugandans alese n'abayimbi bangi music industry kwegamba yagifula a variety of different styles but just from one person agamba nti no let me put it from Bobby Wine as a person, let me make it fire based. We bless the fire together to Stuke Venanga na Uganda. Do you have any plan of you yourself like Nganze Dax vibes? I'm in fire based today, but nange I try to recruit kubantu we but in the way but nange institute team yange.
Yeah, olinganga somye mutwe kubanga that's the process, you know. Because fenafe twafuna abantu kwatako nafe tuli kufuna betu kwatako mpola mpolo kwatagana. That's why I trying to challenge process ya rebranding. We're going to talk about banding about it vibrations. It's going to be in place in a short time from now. We're going to live into Benjawulo.
Ngeri under Dax vibes.
Yeah, ngeri under Dax vibes because that's the way to go. Tulina singa nafe twafuna batuyamba. Singa tetuliwa. So nafe tulina tambuzo chi? Yeah, process eyo.
So Soko Tugambe, before any other stuff, the projects you're having right now, Kubanga, you changed from a dancehall session, or Komeoko, you're too much a vocalist right now.
Remember now, season your love. Now I have a song with Fefe Busi and the new one, the one which is on now, it's called Until I Met You. You know, yeah, just a koyali inspiration, personal inspiration, then picking a leaf from other people together. So nakaimbira mbachali bange ngamba tukakole ninkakola tene bakasimba
bachali bafamu bagamba Dax vibes wena kuzina like ali mu love. What's the trick on this love song?
Sima yogera nenga you know love kuva mbuto bazada bali batulaga love. So as you go on experiencing different types of love ono biyimbako wanga nakai manage mnola kali about mkwano gwa mama chitegera. So if I sing about a girl I'm feelings with, yeah, musango.
Do you really have one here?
There is someone there, you know. There's someone. Just I'm size up place. Yeah, man.
Dax vibes. Zenyimba tuziulide nyingi. People would still love to know Dax vibes agenda kwegata mu kintu kino a campaigning le Bobby Wine for presidency.
Olira bagamweberere musonze nganze kino kikola ng'omuvubuka omuto. Since I have a platform as an artist nchina abantu baso kumpuliriza ninaye kubafane gikozesa okubusa kubanga owuli a message. I want to preach the message, you know, because if I believe in the message I have to preach it. Just me as a young Ugandan, I believe that things have to change, you know. Things are going wrong.
No, not really. We are seeing many artists. They are bottled Babakuyo Buchupa. Don't you feel like your career is rising on a very high speed? You maybe don't want to mix it with any other stuff like politics or what?
I think that's a conflicting loyalty. Now I'm having opportunity, people are seeing me, but they have something I really have to do, you know? Something that is worth everything, because if I sing when I'm not free, nobody is free. So, first things first, because God gave me an opportunity that I can sing and music. So, I believe I have, you know, babu so nino kweberera munamba bereremu because febe tuyimba katonda atuitira mu kitegera. So sina kuyisambya stand byokka nti no chiyo.
All right, then you're still one-on-one with Dax Vibes and Holy Cash on your TV screen right here. I really have another song Dax nina kayimba kange bakaita Namiro.
Namiro chana gwe Namiro okubiri wedanga nkusaba onjagale omponyo obomu ai Namiro gwe chana gwe.
Don't you really listen to Walio Vudemu, this real music asinga okwagalibwa abantu? So no guarantee the Dax Vibes can collect change agala ngomuntu like doing dancehall more than, because I remember the R&B song you started with. I wasn't yet in Uganda by then, but I heard it.
America or Jamaica?
Nalimu, nenga yengo wimba busensera. Really, the days of Kaparaga there.
Okay.
Nga kuba nyo muziko go. There is that R&B song. Obalwali. Ndo kajugira.
Namiro.
Mulimu erinnya lyo ya mwana nenga musiramu.
Hadija.
Very good.
Hadija. Ndi kumutima ali bwana bisere mwana inyo mulavu mwana nga alina okuyimba obuntu omanyi inspiration wakukywa feeling
n'otuuka ne bakukyawa n'ogamba
ebyokukyawa oluusi naffe tuteekamu ku firimu naawe just olaba what is depicted in the society nolaba nti no kyali wange oli bamukyaye biki okitegeera n'obiteekamu naye sindi balina soka kunkyawa kubiyimbako. I can sing a song to inspire another young boy.
Naye olina oluyimba ne His Excellency naye tolina luyimba na Uncle Eddie Awe, tolina luyimba na Banjo Man. Feze tumanyi ziyinza okubaayo naye nga tetumanyi, so we really want to know apart from Bobby Wine wabadde okukola ne family member omulala?
I have a song with Banjo. Mickey yanyingiza industry Sedebi yasooka kumpayo collabo.
Ne Mickey Wine yekwese nnyo aliwa
gyali alina kayima nesindika amaanyi kamaanyi mukalindirire naye nga
bakakozerwa kwa boom party concert oba
kubanga bakwatagana kubanga nga wala asindi yagamba Mickey amintroducing into dancehall. So ayagala mugumizayo mu dancehall naye kakamaanyi bawonize yaman kati oyimanyi webityo
Banjo Man kete
Banjo Man bakayita ddayo mugende ku YouTube mukachekinge kakabi Eddie Awe nkyalina okukola ennyo okuyima ne Eddie Awe wamaanyi.
No tulabye awo aba upcoming abalala bonna platform aba Daniel Eagles aba Golden Band azabawa. I really think he's a talent listener. Namanti this boy or this girl has a great talent.
I think Eddie Awe has given me more than a collabo, you know. Kubanga buli kayimba kange mangendo ofulumya akawuliriza. He mixes some of my music. So he's buying me.
He's a producer too.
He's a producer obviously. Dream Studios So abera buying all my works. Era niwe kakolerawa akomawo nakola ki nawuliriza munagaba bino bijemo no wa flat nze. So he's there. He does more than a collab.
Still we are waiting for a collaboration between the two families ezisinza okwefuga music industry ya Uganda. Omanyi kyenjogerako ndowooza.
Palazzo. I have a song with Palazzo. I have a song with Palazzo. I have a song with Eddie Kenzo. I have a song with Lydia Jasmine. I have a song with ani mulagwena kayima naye Fefe Busi, Nina Rose, all the songs are there. Yes, abantu balina okwetegeka ntino balina okumpagira kubanga ngenda ba music wakabi sibalabisa ate nga kubeka no ate nzize mabega okitegeera just balina okumbeereramu kubanga I'm cooking very sweet stuff for them. Man.
Actually still Bobby Wine yafuna Dan Magic. He's a boy from Chigorobia. Let me hope you know that.
Man.
So gwe uptown artist Chigo gendo gamba nti ono mwana kamwa unveiling eri eggwanga like ngabo gamba nti nange Dax Vibes, because really now in Firebase we really have the trending person is Dax Vibes right now, so we really want to know like Dax Vibes naye agenda kujja mu career ngabo gambye wali eri nti wetaga nawe okusupportinga abantu abenjawulo. Do you have other talents like the producers you've discovered? No gamba
producer wakabi ameita Mesh Beats Wakabinyo, but I think he's doing like 3 songs of mine on Could Dream. Waliyo Triton, Banji nyo waliyo oli producer omuto yali akola munani Zila bana banji nyo abajja. Tulina artists abato, tulina Bian Music. Man, more coming.
So like in 5 years, olaba what Dax Vibes walero?
Just ask me in a few months. 5 years katonda yamanyi.
5 years usoga mandimu waka wa parliament nange. So that is why.
Nchemanyi ja kubeera wakabinyo mu 5 years kyensaba katonda mpe. Simanyi banabanga nkola kinga ne wona kyonna kye naba nkola. Ja kuba wakabi. No naba mulimi ja kubeera mulimi wakabi ennyo. Nenga a few months from now I'm just going to give you the best I can.
Dax Vibes mu Uganda muyimbi kyasinga omuyimbira saawa zino.
Omuyimbi banji nnyo banji nnyo just nze maybe
okugeza actually just of recent twali tuwaya mukono omuntu omu mu bayimbi bonna n'alabayo Fresh Kid and people really saw like it's more than funny.
Kwegamba nze oyinza okunsanga ne mu artist nyinza okunyumirwako style ye engeri gyayogera nyinza okwagalako verse ye mu gyayimbe oba akayimba ke or something, so specifying kwegamba bano artist nze nsingana niwema nkola music ntwelinga nnyo kuba artist be Uganda bampa inspiration. Ezo nyima nziwuliriza nefuna idea omwana nakuba akayimba kakabi nowulira nobeera ne positive competition. So I wouldn't sing out one artist, never aba artist abayimba bowulira banji nnyo beebale nnyo era bakabindi
Tolinayo g'omenyeyo like akunyumira personally. This is about a personal interest.
ani bangi nnyo muganda wange
Kubona be wakozeeyo nabo.
oyagala kunkubya miko?
Not really.
naye nga omuntu gwena getting a person with nenjogeramuko naye yali radio. Beyond the music, because of a song with him, beyond the music, he was a pure person.
Yes.
Yeah.
By the way, to push you back a little bit, what was the feeling radio kufanga temukoze video nga you have an audio nga wakajita?
It was sad because the day we buried him is when we were supposed to shoot the video. Naye kyantawanya nnyo kayima nenkavaako. So then I released it 6 months after his death. Yeah. It tormented me so much.
Releasing at 6 months, but I think Ronga Rwatambula.
No, it wasn't out yet. Because yapa mu January nga tugenda mu February, not so. So nika releasing nga mu gwa musanvu. Yeah. So kyantormentinga nnyo nekantama nga mpulira buli nkawuliza ninga yali amusiibula kitegera. Because it is the last song he recorded. And he had just become my friend, you know, a close friend. Yeah. So kyatinga nnyo naye Katonda mwana yasalawo.
I think it's high time Dax Vibes ogambe ku bana Uganda oba wabule ku bana Uganda, like sometimes they be there ne balowooza nti obulamu bwa celebrity, it is something so simple. Twala wano Eddie Kenzo Ngalajana and they were really happy and laughing.
I know
the same case to Mose Radio, they were like eyo stunt.
No, olaba mwana sometimes balina okubeera understanding kubanga beyond being an artist oli abeera muntu nga alina feelings. So radio nze nali mulabire waweeru nga mulaba musajja akyankalana basimutegeera naye nga omusanga musajja mulungi naye nga abantu bamudisappointinga nnyo. First of all, beyond his management, abantu abamwetoolodde then noyingiramu nogazi watu family, friends and all that. So alina okwandolinga ebintu bingi nnyo. So oluusi mwana ba artist balina obakwatibwa ku kisa kubanga it's a lot on their head.
Trainings these days ngazina mune babi, some people are positive, some are negative, bagamba no mukulembeze, you shouldn't do that.
Si muntu.
Others are like muntu nga bwobuuziza. So
tetulekerao nedda tetucramming. I think cramming kibi.
Yes.
First of all, Bobby yali artist nga nyumira obulamu bwe. So life changes drastically. I know just okubeera
move on another step.
Yeah, one step. Naye asigala nga muntu ayagala, he has love. I know omukyala gwayagala, he's still a young guy okitegeera. So a little dance with the lovely. Nze ndaba kiba kyakabi abantu balina namukubira mu ngalo kubanga first of all yakola nnyo n'afuna amajaago okitegeera, talina kirala kyabanoonya okitegeera. Naye wagamba kino there is a cause Katonda amukubyemu torch. Kanjikole nini alina okuddayo n'apowamuko nakola ki. And
money is all about having fun and being free.
Nanyumirwamuko kubanga muntu nga bwe nagambye kino ne bano bantu tolooza nkino agenda kwambala suit from Monday to Monday, you know. Tolooza nkino tagenda sekako oba kusaagako. Yeah, he's a human being and I think he's the best leader we can have because yali alaali. He reflects what we are. Kubanga kyekyo sagala leader yimira ali nga yeefula serious byokka kitegeera. Ali alaali leader waffe gwe soovimba naye okitegeera president waffe naawe.
As we wrap up the show, I am with Dax Vibes. Mr. Nice Songs these days is so trending on every television. You could just switch on your remote.